let's have a look. Ooh, another box. Oh, we've got a cable. There we go, look. The Mini 4 Colour LCD Zoom Hotspot Kit. And what's in the box? All we've got is a small antenna. There you go, look. And a zoom spot. Right, so I've got to learn how to set this up. So what I'm going to do is, not in this video, got to have a look at it first and figure out how to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video very shortly showing you how to set this up. Now I know there's a few on that show you how to do it,